Kia ora, and welcome to the first video about ngā tūhono, conjunctions. In this video, you'll be learning about Kupu tūhono conjunction words. By the end of the video, you'll be able to use them in a sentence. So let's have a look at what a conjunction is. The word tūhono is a great clue because the word hono means to join or connect. So we have one part of the sentence on the left-hand side of a bridge, and the other part of the sentence on the other. I watched the movie, I read the book, and the word, or sometimes phrase that goes in the middle, that joins them, is the conjunction. In te reo Māori, this is called a tūhono. Here's another example. As you can see here, the words and but are both examples of tūhono. In this video, I'll be introducing you to three kupu tūhono Māori. Engari, which means but, and me and a, which both mean and. The first tūhono I'm going to be talking about is engari. It translates most simply as but it can also mean on the contrary, on the other hand, or rather. Let's look at a few examples. Ko oho ngā tamariki, engari kua moeroa tō rātou pāpā. The children have woken up, but their dad has slept in. I rite te kai, engari kua kai ke mātou. The food was ready, but we had already eaten. In the next set of examples, engari translates to on the contrary or on the other hand. I haere ngā hine ki te whare puka puka? Did the girls go to the library? Ko, engari e noho rātou ki te kāinga. No, on the contrary, they stayed home. And the next one, I whakapono te tamaiti ki te pura akau, engari kaore tōna tuakana I whakaai. The child believed the story, but on the other hand, his brother didn't agree. And the last example, engari relates to rather. Kaua e tere tere, engari me ata haere koe. Don't rush, but rather you should proceed carefully. The next kupu tūhono is me. When we're joining two nouns together, we use me to say and. Here's some examples. Te tama me te kuri, te māma me te pēpi, he pēkana me ngā heki, and so on. While we use me to say and when we're joining two nouns together, when we are joining two sentences or clauses, we use a. I'll show you how this works. Let's add the first part of the sentence. I haere ahau ki te whare kore tinana. I went to the gym. The end of the sentence. I whakapakari I tinana ahau. I worked out. And the conjunction word between them is a. I went to the gym and I worked out. You'll notice when the a conjunction is used in a sentence this way, it is written with a comma either side of it. And this is the correct way to use it. Comma, a, comma. In the first sentence example, I haere au ki te whare kore tinana and I whakapakari tinana ahau are both complete sentences. They both have a subject, a kaimahi, and a verb or tūmahi. Both parts of the sentence make sense on their own, and we've just joined them together with a conjunction. Here's another example for you. Ka mau ngā hine I ngā panekoti, a ka mau ngā tama I ngā tarauroa. The girls will wear skirts and the boys will wear long trousers. Hei whakakapi māku, just to summarise. In this video we covered three conjunctions, engari, me and a, meaning but or and. Coming up next is the second video about conjunctions, where I'll be introducing you to 3 rerenga kōrero pūhono conjunction phrases. Nā te mea, he oi anō, and nā reira. Check out the next video to find out what they mean and how to use them in a sentence. Ngā mihi nui kia koutou katoa. Hei konā.